Good morning. So, in continuation of previous video, in this video, I'm going to explain construction of Moore model. Design Moore sequential circuit to detect the desired sequence. Design of Moore model for a sequence detector. Okay. See here, it is very similar. Procedure is same, except outputs are written within the state. Within the state. So compared to the Moore model and Mealy model, in Mealy model, outputs are represented on the arc, that is directed branch, but here outputs are represented within the state. So we'll consider the same example, that is the circuit should produce an output 1 only if an input sequence ending with 101. So design is similar until 101 has occurred, except that output 0 is associated with the state. So this is the part of the state diagram. I'll explain one by one. So again, we'll start with the uh, initial state, that is reset state S naught. Okay, yes. See, observe here. Output is represented within the state. Within the state. Again, if 0 is received, circuit stay in S naught, since our sequence does not start with the 0. That is represented by a directed branch or arc. S naught to S naught, and here only input. Only input. Clear now? So if 1 is received, so that is the first bit. So it will go to new state S1 to remember the first input in the desired sequence has been received. Okay. So it will go to is for still it is a 0. Output is a 0 and the input is 1. So here the difference in the graph, output is represented within the state. The value on the arc represent input only. Input only. Okay, na? So we are in S1 means first bit of the sequence 1 is received, waiting for the second bit, that is 0 to be received. So if 0 is received, it will go to new state. If 0 is received, circuit go to new state. Just to remember that two inputs are received, that is 1 0. Again here also output is 0. Here also output is 0 because only two bits are received, 1 0. Clear now? Suppose if it is 1 in S1, if it is 1, it will stay there only. The new one will be considered as a first bit. Okay, na? Yeah. Now come to S2. So we are in S2 means when in state S2, two bits of the sequence 1 0 is received and waiting for the third bit to be received. Now if 1 is received, if 1 is received, okay, the desired sequence is completed now, 1 0 1. So and output should be 1. The output should be 1. So in the previous Mealy model, uh, we directed to S1, but here we should not direct it to S1 because S1 represent output 0. So now we should make output 1. That is why it must go to new state S3 and makes output 1. See, here output 1 S3. So if 1, it will go to S3 and makes output 1. Is it clear now? Yeah. Suppose in S2, if 0 is received, it will go to reset state. If 0 is received, must go to reset state because two zeros are received. 0 0 is not a part of the desired sequence. It will go to S naught. Clear na? So one more state is introduced. Now in this state again we receive either 0 or 1. So we are in S3 means 3 bits of the sequence 101 is received and make output is 1. Now again in this state, if 0 is received or 1 is received, what happens? See, if 1 is received, already we received 3 bits, that is 101. If 1 is received, the received sequence becomes 1011. So in this, we consider the recent one is considered as a first bit of the desired input sequence. So 1 is represented in the state. If 1 is received means we must be in state S1. Hence it goes to the state S1 if 1 is received in S3. Clear na? Yeah. Similarly, if 0 is received, the received sequence becomes 101 already received. Now we receive 0. In this, see the recent two bits considered as the first two bits of the desired sequence. See, this is our desired sequence now, 1 0. So 2 bits are received means we must be in the state S2. We must be in the state S2. Hence, it will go to S2 from S3 to S2 when the input is 0. When the input is 0. Clear na? This is the Moore model. See, the main differences between Mealy and Moore means Moore requires additional one state as we compare. No, so when we constructed the Mealy model, only three states were there, but here one additional states are required. And one more difference: output are represented within the state in Moore model and the directed branch in the Mealy model. Is it clear now? Yeah. Then we'll follow the same design procedure, construction of state table from the state diagram. Okay. So state table means present state. Here we have four states: S0, S1, S2, S3. Next state when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to 1, and output. Okay. So here only one column in the output because output depends on only the present state, So if it is in S0, output is 1, 0. If it is in S1, output is 0. Again S2 or 0, S3 1. So that we list here. See, if it is present state S0, output is 0, S1 0, S2 0, S3 1. And we complete this by observing the state diagram. Observe first one. When present state is S0, when input is 0, it goes to S0 only. See here S0. Clear? If it is 1, it will go to S1. So here you write S1. Completed now. Now present state is S1. If input is 0, it goes to S2. So S2. Next state is S2. If input is 1, it will be there only. So next state is S1. Clear na? Now come to present state S2. Here present state S2. When input is 0, it will go to S0. So next state is S0 when input is 0. Okay. When input is 1, it will go to S3. Clear na? Fine. So come to present state S3. When 0, it will go to S2. Here S2. And if it is 1, it will go to S1. So here you write S1. Okay. This is the state table. Clear na? And from the state table, transition table. So here note single column for output because it is determined by present state. It does not depend on x and uh, requires one more additional state in the Mealy machine to detect the same input sequence. Clear na? Next, construction of transition table from state table. So this is the state table as we know the same procedure. Here we need four states to be represented. So two flip-flops are required. Okay, two flip-flops are required. Since four state, two flip-flops are required to realize the circuit. Let use the state assignment as here we use state variable Q1, Q2. In the Mealy model we use AB. You can use anything. So Q1, Q2 are the state variable. If it is 0, 0, it represents S0. Similarly 0, 1, S1. We assign 0, 1 for S1 and 1, 0 for S2 and 1, 1 S3. Let's see the corresponding transition table. So transition table, present state, here present state variables Q1, Q2, next state when x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and next state variables Q1 plus Q2 plus, again Q1 plus Q2 plus. So we complete this by observing and see here present state or replace with the binary codes assigned. Correct? So here when x is equal to 0, observe when x is equal to 0, here S0 no, so 0 0. Next is S2, so 1 0. Again next S0 0 0. Next X2 1 0. When x is equal to 0 is completed. Next when x is equal to 1, here it is the next state is S1 no. So here we should write S1 means 0 1. again S1 0 1, again S3 1 1, S1 0 1. Correct? This is what the transition table. So next, again from the transition table we construct excitation table and expression, and that I'm going to explain in the next video.